Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I am going to talk about honesty and truth. Yeah, this is my second video about honesty and truth, and this topic is such that if we keep on talking, I can make so many videos about it. So I just thought to make another video about honesty and truth. Many times we hear this sentence, are we really sure that honesty and truthfulness are the same? Honesty is saying what you sincerely believe to be true. What you believe to be true in a manner not intended to be deceived. You can honestly state something is either true or not. If a person can be honestly wrong, believing something that is not the truth. A good example of the honesty differs from the truth is the responsibility of the lawyers they have towards the clients and towards the court. According to the Frederick M. in 2013, in the book 101 Things which he has learned in the law school, lawyer must be honest, but they don't have to be truthful. Being honest means not to lies. Being truthful means knowing the full truth as the matter. In more general sense, if someone is knowingly saying something that is not true, that is telling a lie. But if they are unknowingly saying something that is not true, they are being honest. To explain you in a better way, I'll give you an example. And this is an example, guys, so do not take it personally. I'm not saying it about anybody, but to make you guys understand, that's the reason I came up with this example. Let's assume that a friend of yours tells you that he is having an affair with someone, and he's been not honest with his wife, and he asks you to keep his secret and not to say or tell anyone. And one day your spouse comes to you and asks you about that friend, that do you know that your friend is cheating on his wife? It seems your spouse's sister saw your friend with some another woman in a restaurant on 2 different occasions. If you tell your wife that you do not know anything about his cheating, then you are lying to your wife. But if your friend never told you about his cheating to you, then you saying to your wife, or you telling to your wife that you do not know about his cheating, is being a truthful. That means you are being a truthful. Truthful also means that you fully disclose all the information to that another person as the another person needs, or your spouse has a right to know about the cheating. As we all know that internet knows the bed of the dishonesty, as the people disclose to free to post whatever they want, because people routinely leave out the important facts, figuring the other person won't know what is the truthful. The reason this occurs is to have morphed into no consequences society where the lowest common denominator is need. But still, I would like to add the main difference between truth refers to the absolute reality of facts, whereas honesty is the quality of being sincere and being able to represent ideas in an accurate and convincing manner. Be honest and true, surrender yourself to the service of God and to the mankind. So this was about honesty and truthfulness. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for coming and watch this video. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. I also wanted to say thanks to all the people who are inspiring to make this video and people who are helping me to make this video. Thank you, all of you. For all my services, you guys can reach out me through my email ID, and people who are connected with me on social media, you can all definitely contact me through Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp and Skype. And definitely I would love to work with you guys and help you guys. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel, take care, live with lots of love, light and angels blessings. Namaste.